Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now I want to do a quick unboxing of these SuperBeats Flex. I actually got this as a free gift, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I actually got this as a gift from one of the casinos I play at. So I guess I have a lot of player points, so they give up these gifts. So I'm going to go ahead and open this thing up. Now these are out a couple years ago, so I think it's been 3 years since they came out, and I think they retail for about $49. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how to open this thing up. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time here. All right, let's go ahead and peel this off. There we go. All right, so that's about it. Nothing else in the box. So here are the SuperBeats. Let's go ahead and open this. All right, so you have a Type-C connection, so that's good. And these are black. Let's go ahead and take these out. All right, so these things are made from these super strong, I believe, material where they're really difficult to tear. So if you wanted to, you know, stretch these out and rip them up, you know, they're going to be they're very durable. So here they are. Here are the SuperBeats. All right, now I'm going to start yanking, and they're very durable. And so some people actually might prefer this. They're really soft here. The tips are really soft. So when you put them in your ear, they're super soft. Now I'm trying to see if they have any other tip extensions here, but they don't. So let's see what else is in here. All right, this is just I guess some reading material, and I don't really use that very much, so I guess you're just gonna have to buy extra tips, because I don't see anything else here. So I could be wrong. Let me see here. I think the tips might be here. Let's go ahead and open this up here. All right, I think the tips are in here, actually. All right, let's go. There we go. There we go. There we go. So here we go. So they actually have different sizes, depending on your ear size, your earlobes. And here they go. There's 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. And you can go ahead and replace these. So that's really, really good. So anyways, you would have to, let's see how we can go ahead and turn this thing on here. Should be some kind of button. Like, I've never really used this, but this is where you would put the Type-C to charge it. And I believe that one charge lasts a full day. So that's that, man. So I'm going to go ahead and play around with these, and then charge them up, hook them up to my phone, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. So if you guys like this video, don't forget, subscribe down below. Until next time, stay blessed and take care.